As the sun is about to set on the western Arizona desert, we're about to get to the vacuum cleaner dam. Well, I tried. I tried.
It didn't work.
Yeah, well, we're tired. We've been going all day. Of course it wouldn't work. We started in Flagstaff, Arizona this morning, and then we went to the Grand Canyon, and we stopped a number of times at the Grand Canyon, and then we saw a coyote, and we almost had an accident, and then
we saw a really bad accident.
And then we saw one, yeah. We got through some intense rain, and when we went through this rain, it was so you couldn't even see. We got some footage of that. And then, what was that oh yeah. What happened? There was an accident.
Well, yeah, it was the aftermath of an accident where all the emergency vehicles were already there and everything, and we saw this crashed up truck with a body with a blanket over it. A ton of vehicles all backed up from here to Kingdom Come. It was bad.
Yeah, it was pretty nasty, and what probably happened was maybe the tires were a little bald and just did a bit of hydroplaning because the water was thick on the road, and we even slipped a little bit. I was taking a sip of my drink, and it's at the bottom where it's really icy cold, and it sort of tickled my uvula and went down the wrong side.
Okay.
That's not too much information. It's a word that Weird Al Yankovic used in his concert.
Oh, that's where it came from.
Well, I knew what a uvula was before that.
Yeah, well, whatever.
You look good with the sun shining on you like that.
Thanks, honey, even with my wacky hair.
Even with your wacky hair, and even if you're tired and cranky, and I'm tired and cranky, you look good.
Thanks, honey. I love you too.
I love you. Yeah.
I hope the slots love me in Vegas.
Yeah, well, we'll see. They didn't love you last time.
No, they didn't.
To driving over the Hoover Dam, but we just got a big shocker and a surprise. We were on this 4-lane highway, and it looked like the bridge up ahead was new. And we kept on driving, and it said Hoover Dam, 5 miles, you know, and we kept on going. And then, instead of seeing the dam, we just saw this new bridge that we went over, and we got to the other side of the bridge and said, "You're in Nevada now." Now, it used to be that you would drive down the hill, down the winding, twisting road, and go right over the dam itself, and then wind and twist your way back up on the Nevada side. But they just bypassed the whole thing, put a big highway right over the damn thing. We didn't even get to see the dam. I'm somewhat disappointed by that, but in a way it saved time. It used to be that you had to slow down and, oh, can you see Lake Mead? Yeah, there's Lake Mead. Cool. At least you can see Lake Mead from the road. And Boulder City is right up ahead. Oh, they're doing some construction too. We're going to slow down a little bit. Just Henderson here. Keep on going. Up becomes Las Vegas. You can see the strip. If I recall, the Rio is on the other side. From here. You could maybe... What do you think? planes taking off from the airport.
Fehquig.
Fehquig.
Fehquig. Fehquig.